Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to connect and install the Ottocast cabin care car adapter. If your car's wired CarPlay port is a Type-C adapter, use the Type-C adapter to connect to the USB port on the product. Then connect it to your car's wired CarPlay port. Use your iPhone to search and connect the Ottocast cabin care car adapter's Bluetooth to access CarPlay. Next, we'll show you how to install the Ottocast cabin care car adapter. The first method involves securing the bracket to the car seat as shown in the video. Then connect the Ottocast camera. The second method involves securing the bracket with the straps as shown in the video. Then connect the Ottocast camera. Finally, don't forget to power the Ottocast camera when using it. Thank you for watching.